This is Joe Hill from DoneRight Management at Broken Ridge Ranch. We're down in the game room. We are going to go do a quick video tutorial on how to utilize the television. So this is the Samsung controller. This is the DirecTV. So in order to change from some of the different sources you have on the top right-hand button, the source button, we are on HDMI3 for the cable. Now we have game consoles, PS3s, and if you actually want to utilize the smart TV features and functionality, you can actually log into the Netflix, TV Plus, YouTube, and so forth. If you have an account, go ahead and sign up and log in your information there. And being able to just kind of transition back and forth is the simplest way of utilizing that. Now, we have different functions and features with a DVD player as well as a Wii that you can set up. So I'm going to go back onto HDMI3, click that, and then we're back here. Regular features of the actual DirecTV, you have the channel changing and the volume right here. So fairly straightforward. If you have any further questions regarding the operation, the use of the television down here, you can give our landline office a phone call. Number is 208-634-0030. And if you got any further questions, please feel free to give us a call. Thanks. Bye.